Come see how I decorate for summer in rose gold. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a rose gold and white display on this rose gold tray. And this is part of a seasonal closed collaboration with myself, N of Renters Love Luxury by N, Shelley at Pretty Inspired Decor, and Marilyn of It's a Cozy Lifestyle with Marilyn. So at the last collaboration, which was our spring rose gold collaboration, Marilyn did a display with rose gold and white, and I was inspired. I loved it, loved it, loved it. What a beautiful combination, and it's no wonder it's used so much in weddings. It's just beautiful. So I'm going to put together a rose gold and white display for you today. I'm using a mirror tray and I have to clean it. It's very, very dusty. So I'm just going to clean that here with my glass cleaner. And we'll wipe that down. Cleaning everything before I use it for decorating. So I'm going to start off by placing this white linen napkin right off to the center here, and then just coming off of the tray a little bit. I really like that look. And then I'm going to place this white tall candle holder, sort of a pillar holder. I'll put that over here at the back. I will play around with this a little bit. I think the next item I will use is this pillar rose gold candle holder and place that right inside, and it does hold that very nicely. Then my little birdhouse, love using this birdhouse for summer, so I'm going to place that beside it here. And to the top of the birdhouse, I'm going to place a little bird. I'll show you it more close up a little bit later, but it's rose gold sparkle. It's really, really cute. I also use this in my spring rose gold display. So if you want to go back and watch that video, if you haven't already, I'm going to ensure that this bird sticks to the birdhouse by just using a bit of double-sided tape and then placing him down. Perfect. Then this little picture frame, it's sort of in a rose gold color. It sort of has this rose gold around with some crystals here, and I put some rose gold sparkle tape in the middle, and I'm just going to place that right here. A little rose gold mercury glass votive holder, which I think I will put right here. I have this really beautiful rose gold butterfly. This display will be in my family room. That's where I am now. I'll show you at the end of the video where I display it. And in my family room for this summer, I am using a lot of butterflies. So I thought this is perfect to add to our display. It's a little difficult to put into place. So let's see if it will stay. Oh gosh, that has never happened. So it's staying, perfect. And then what I just purchased at Dollarama, these hair clips. They're in a rose gold. They have these clips at the back here. They're so pretty. They're meant to be put in your hair. I see decor. I don't see hair clips. So I'm simply clipping two of them together to make sort of a pretty substantial little piece here. And I've clipped on another bird just like this one. The birds have clips because they are Christmas ornaments. And so I'm just going to place that down here in the front. And it's so cute. It looks really pretty. It looks like the bird is just sitting on these flowers, which is really nice. And then the last piece I'm going to use is this picture frame. Now, if you can see that or not, it says spring has sprung. This is what I used in my spring rose gold display. Let me show you what I put in it for my summer display. What I've done here is I've chosen this pretty rose gold butterfly print from the internet and printed it off. Here it is up close, and I'm cutting it out, ensuring that it will fit in my picture frame. Very simple. And then I'm going to place it inside. Put our backing on, and then we have this really pretty simple image. So as you saw, I printed off this pretty rose gold butterfly little picture that I put into the frame, and I'm going to simply place that there, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you where I decorate with it in my family room. So here in this corner of my family room, I have displayed the rose gold and white summer tray. Here are all my pretty little rose gold pieces, glistening in the summer sun. And then here what I've done is I've placed these rose gold painted sparkle sticks, I guess you would call them. They're just placed in a glass vase and they're behind the tray, and I think it finishes off our look quite nicely. Please let me know what you thought of this display. I would love if you visited my co-collaborators' channels to watch their videos. Just click in the playlist link that I have in my description box. Thank you so much for visiting. I hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed putting it together. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I love your comments, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing.